If you've been dreaming of starting your own organizing business or looking to take it to the next level, you've come to the right place. In this video, we are doing a little check-in. I could not decide if I wanted this to be like a report card, like an ABC thing, or a scale of 1 to 10. Then I realized I was completely overthinking it, which is what happens when you try to launch your business, right? So just grab a notepad and pen and let's evaluate the 3 critical aspects that will determine the success of your organizing business. By the end of this video, you should have a clear understanding of where you stand and what areas need your attention. Hi, I'm professional organizer Katherine Lawrence. If you're joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. Here I go beyond the surface of simple organizing techniques and dig a little deeper into the world of extreme clutter and large-scale downsizing strategies. You'll get an insider's perspective on the life of a professional organizer and discover the common hurdles that can hinder our quest for organization. I offer additional coaching and courses to support you on your journey. For access to those resources, check out the links in the description below. Okay, so let's start by grading yourself in the first area, your client process. On a scale of 1 to 10, how confident are you in your ability to provide a consistent and effective process for every decluttering and organizing job, regardless of the size or scale of the project? Your client process starts when you have that first conversation with someone who is interested in your help through to the time you are leaving their home having completed a project. How confident are you in performing all the steps in between? Let's say 1 being completely clueless and 10 is like you would rock it. You're completely confident. Now let's assess where you are in your business setup. On a scale of 1 to 10, does your business feel legit? This would include creating a name for your business, having the means to process payments, tracking your income and expenses so you're able to pay yourself and do your tax returns. And you've put things in place to reduce your liability. Now, I know that may sound overwhelming, but keep in mind, these are the things you do during your setup phase of business, not things that you have to do on a weekly basis. So you're spending a lot of time on these tasks, and then you may only make occasional tweaks in the future. Establishing a solid business foundation will give you peace of mind. If you haven't given this area enough attention, pause the video for a moment and jot down the tasks that you have left to do. Finally, let's rate your marketing efforts. On a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with the number of clients coming in? Do you have a marketing plan in place to keep the pipeline full and a system to retain the clients you have? If you're a 10 on this one, you probably would not be watching this video, right? Because you would be out getting paid to organize. There may be some ups and downs in the beginning, but you should be building your client base as new clients hire you. That way you max out your time so you no longer have to market your business. Marketing and client retention strategies are the lifeblood of your success. So how well is your plan working to attract and retain your ideal client? Let's say a 1 is no plan, no clients, and a 10 is you are too booked to take new appointments. If this is the area you are struggling with the most, I've got some great news. I'm offering a free webinar called My 3-Step Strategy to Booking More Clients for Your Home Organizing Business. In this training, I'll share valuable insights and practical tips to help you boost your client base. If you're ready to take your organizing business to the next level, click in the link in this video description to sign up for my free webinar. This is a straightforward training and it's a game changer for anyone looking to create a sustainable and thriving organizing business. Remember, mastering these 3 areas, having a client process, a legit business, and a marketing plan are essential steps toward building the organizing business of your dreams. Feel free to share your ratings in the comments, and please like and subscribe for more videos on decluttering, downsizing, and the business of organizing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.